Joins us now to track mass adoption of Bitcoin in crypto markets is Thomas Hook. He's the Chief Compliance Officer at cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp US. Hi, Thomas. Thanks for joining us. So Bitstamp is a Europe-based crypto exchange. And, just taking a look at this chain analysis study, it says that Central, Northern, and Western Europe is once again the world's largest crypto economy. Quarterly growth in the number of crypto transactions in the UK has been the most resilient. And is that where Bitstamp is also seeing a lot of growth?
I think we're seeing growth across all of those sectors, frankly. Despite the chain analysis report, I think we're seeing the sentiment across the board to be pretty positive around Bitcoin and crypto. Especially from an institutional standpoint, we think that institutional adoption continues to grow, and we still see growth and continued interest from those folks who are going to drive it across the board.
Mm-hmm. So, and in terms of on-chain activity, it says that Germany, who grew by about 47%, and the Netherlands shrank by 3%. Are there countries that Bitstamp has particularly been focused on in growing user adoption?
I think generally, we're an EU-based crypto exchange, so Europe is certainly a focus, but the US is a huge growth market for us. So we continue to put energy and effort into the US, but across the globe. We are a global exchange, and we want to meet investors where they are, customers where they are. So again, from an institutional standpoint, we think that that's the most important, and continue to strive to provide larger and better products for our institutional investors.
Are you seeing differences between retail and institutional activity right now?
I think we're seeing excitement on both of them. We recently did an extensive survey on the industry, and we found that 76% of our retail users expected crypto to go mainstream within the next 10 years, and it was pretty similar across the board for institutional. So, we think there's still a lot of excitement, and think that the continued solidification and crypto regulation across the globe will continue to drive that trust and growth, and we will be there to meet it and abide by those regulations.
Nevertheless, have you been seeing a contraction in activity and growth because of the bear market?
I think everyone has, right? It's a bear market, but for us, what it means is it's important for us to reach out to customers, to start to provide them more opportunities to learn about the industry, learn how the industry can grow. And so we've launched Bitstamp Learn because we think it's important that during these times, customers continue to get comfortable and understand more, so that as the market returns and we hit a bull market and a run, those customers feel comfortable and ready to join Bitstamp on that journey and trust us as they enter the crypto space.
And Bitstamp has a bit of news. They're allowing traders to fund their crypto accounts using PayPal. Maybe you can explain the significance of this move and how it could expand user adoption of Bitcoin.
Sure. It's a very exciting partnership for us. So we've added PayPal as a payment method for our customers in Europe and in the US. This is important. It's a very trusted, reliable source of for providing funds to get on chain. And so that partnership, I think, allows more customers to continue to feel more trust in Bitstamp, to trust us with their funds and join us on the journey of crypto.
Yeah, in some ways, an internet-based money like Bitcoin is what Elon Musk, one of the co-founders of PayPal, of course, wanted to create. But at the time, it was too tough, so he created PayPal instead. I wonder how much growth in activity do you expect with this additional funding method, and what kind of fees are involved?
I think we'll certainly see growth whenever we provide our customers with additional safe, secure methods to deposit their funds on Bitstamp and purchase and trade for crypto. We see growth and we see excitement from our users, and we expect to see the same here.
I was wondering if you had any comments on Prime Minister Liz Truss stepping down, and the volatility in the UK, and any impact that may have on crypto user activity, especially on Bitstamp.
I don't necessarily think that it creates volatility, whenever it's a negative sentiment in the market. But I think generally that's not going to be a specific driver in the space. I think customers are more concerned with understanding the parties that they're dealing with, the exchanges, and the different crypto partners that they work with or are looking to work with. And so I think for us, there's always going to be news like this that occurs. And so we continue to educate and show our customers and potential customers why we're safe, reliable, and trustworthy so that they continue to feel comfortable in the crypto market.